Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Diana. If you're new here, welcome and thank you so much. Feel loved. Nakupenda sana. Kindly subscribe to this channel and usisahau to put on your notification so that nikipost always utakuwa una watch video yangu. And for the returning subscribers, thank you so much. Nawapenda sana. May God bless you so much. So guys, today nataka tufanye my evening routine, simply because in the morning I was not feeling well guys, and I did nothing. Niliamkia hospitali. Hata my face can tell I'm not feeling well, but I'm feeling better. We are going to cook, wash. Hadi nyumba sikuosha guys. It was really bad. But I thank God I'm good. Yeah. So let's start. Utensils ni chafu. I have no water in my tap. But I will manage. So my amazing people, msisahau subscribe, like, share to my videos. Please support me.
Anatengeneza mambo ya kwangu, anazungukia maisha yangu, anasafisha, anaosha,
tunasaidiwa na Bwana, 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 tunasaidiwa na Bwana.
So guys, I'm done with cleaning. Let's continue preparing supper. Let's prepare fish and ugali. My fish.